nothing in particular, but holy shit. Guys, check this out. I really got scared. Shit, man. Shit. Oof. I really got scared. What's up? There's another lady inside. This shit scared me. Shit. I can still feel my heartbeat. It scared the shit out of me. AJ Thompson period room. Hi Thompson. What's up? What are you doing? Hey dude. Are you gonna talk to me? Okay, fine. I'm going. Bye. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. The people who are watching me right now, welcome back to my video. Hashtag this is my third vlog. So today's video is going to be very excited and I'm very energetic to shoot this video. So being a Bangalorean, I never visited few places in Bangalore. So I picked the top 4 places which I'm going to be visiting and the video is going to be all about. So I'm not going to tell out which are the places. It's going to be a suspense, so watch it till the end. So I'm going to show you 3 ways of transportation, which is bike, bus and metro. So starting my journey with bike, I'll be heading to the first destination. So please stay tuned, watch till the end and let's have fun. Goodbye. And so I reached my first destination. Y'all want to know what is it? My first destination. Check this out. I have come to Bangalore Palace. This is Bangalore Palace. I've never been to a Bangalore Palace. This is my first time to Bangalore Palace. So let's go explore what is it all about. So this is a chart. There are different charges for Indian as well as foreigners. For camera as well, so I took it with 560 with camera as well as ticket. Audio calls, so which will be audio guides of all languages, and you get your free audio guide which you have to give your ID cards as well as some deposit to take the audio guide mobile phone and earphones. So let's see, let's check out and then let's proceed. So I got my audio guide. So this is how it will be, an audio guide. You'll get it with the earphones. So it will be something like this. Let me show you. So when you go, you have to just choose a number and press it, and then you can hear it through your earphones. This is how it is.
Bangalore Palace is located at Vasant Nagar, Bangalore, and it is owned by Reverend J. Garrett, the first principal of Bangalore. The palace was constructed at 1874 and was completed at 1878. The owner of Bangalore Palace is Pramoda Devi Vadayar. And after the exit of Bangalore Palace, there's this beautiful garden opposite Bangalore Palace, which is of 45,000 square feet and in depth of 454 acres. You can take out photos, videos and enjoy a moment.
guys, so I'm done exploring my first destination. This is all about Bangalore Palace. So I hope you like Bangalore Palace with the best history moment of Bangalore Palace. So I'm done exploring. So let me get the second destination. So please stay tuned. Goodbye. So I've reached the second destination and you'll want to know what is it. So check this out. I've come to Vishveshwaraya Industrial and Technological Museum. So if you are a science student, you will love this museum because it's all about science, chemistry, biology. It's all about all these science. So if you are a science student, you will love this place because I love science. I've come to this place. So let's go inside and just check it out. How much is one? 75. Okay.
So the ticket price is 75 rupees per person.
So guys, I just entered. So as you enter, they give you this kind of gloves. You have to wear this kind of gloves and then enter. So this is the entrance, and first let's go to this place. After you come on top, you get there, you come here, you come down, and then you'll find all these combustions of engines. So these engines are used for all these oil engines as well as train engines as well. This aircraft over here. I think you all can see this. And this is something like stimulation, where you have to just lay down over here and then you'll feel that stimulation mode that you are flying on an aircraft. So they made that grilling from the top waterfall and then it goes till there. So it is. It's called Shiva Samudra Hydroelectric Project. This is what I was waiting for. So this is how it looks. I love projects like this. I love to make projects like this. It's wonderful. That's a space station, I think so. And this is a launch pad. So this is how it is. So I was done. I done exploring of Vishveshwaraya Industrial and Technological Museum. So right now for my third destination. So stay tuned. Let me reach and then let's do it. Goodbye. Okay guys, so finally I've reached the third destination. So check this out. I've reached Vidhana Soudha. So this is Vidhana Soda. It's normally called as Heart of Bangalore. So it's located in Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Road. Some people may ask me that or have a question in mind saying that why is it called Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Road? It's just because of this Dr. B.R. Ambedkar statue right here. So he points out the same thing over that side, something there. So that's why it's called Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Road. If you see this clearly over here, I'll just zoom it for you. It says government work is God's work. That's what Vidhana Soda is all about. The construction of Vidhana Soda was started at 1952 and was completed at 1956. Kingal Hanumantaya contributed and constructed Vidhana Soda. Seating capacity of Vidhana Soda is 300 members. Okay guys, so just opposite Vidhana Soda. So back of me is Vidhana Soda and just opposite that is this High Court of Karnataka. So normally called as Red Court because it's red. So it's called High Court of Karnataka. So just facing each other. High Court of Karnataka, Vidhana Soda. So it's normally called Suvarna Vidhana Soda. So normally people tell Vidhana Soda because it's become a practice. So it's called Suvarna Vidhana Soda. Okay guys, so I'm done exploring Vidhana Soda. So right now I parked my bike. There's even metro station here, but I don't want to take a metro from Vidhana Soda to Majestic because Majestic is the main junction for Bangalore of metros where it connects all intersections of metro. But I'm going to show you the bus route from Vidhana Soda to Majestic and Majestic Castle Metro and then head to the last destination. So until then, stay tuned, wait for it. The Majestic bus. Okay. So from Vidhana Soda to Majestic, the bus fare is just 10 rupees. So I reached Majestic. This is Majestic. Let me get to the metro station and then show you the metro journey. Left, it says Nama Metro and I found it. Nadaprabhu Kempegowda metro station. So let's go and just check out. It's empty.
ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಆವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ರೈಲಿನ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್
ಮುಂದಿನ ನಿಲ್ದಾಣ ಶ್ರೀರಾಂಪುರ. Next station is Srirampura. ರೈಲು ಈಗ ರಾಜಾಜಿನಗರಕ್ಕೆ ತಲುಪಲಿದೆ. ವಾಹನಗಳು ಎಡಕ್ಕೆ
So I was done with lunch and I reached my last destination, which is the fourth destination. Any guesses? So my last destination is ISKCON. So this is my first time to ISKCON. I've never been to ISKCON. So let's go and let's check it out. So guys, I've come inside ISKCON. This is how it looks, the entrance. Here we have to go. And if you want to finish your darshan and everything, it's written over your darshan. So you have to go this way. After you finish that, you have to come this way, do the back checkup, and then head this side. So let's go. Let's see how it is. I think so. We have to give our slippers and shoes here. You have to go inside and come towards the right. So you give your slippers. You will be barefooted. Wash your legs and then head up. I think this view is going to be beautiful. Wow. Wow. Let's see what's further. There's a lovely pond over there, guys. So that's a metro station on top there. So for that, we'll be heading to the temple. It's the temple. This is the first time I'm coming to ISKCON. I've never been to ISKCON temple. Wow. It says Sri Radha Krishna temple. After that, wow, I love this entrance. This was so nice. Wow. Guys, this is the first time I've been to ISKCON temple and it's just a 3-letter word. Wow. So it is. Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare.
So it had 50 plus steps in which we had to take each step by telling this prayer.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Rama Hare Rama Rama Rama. Done with this. Now we'll proceed to the next one. I love the prayer. The prayer was beautiful. I did that for the first time and I liked it. This is how it is. So this was the prayer. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So this was the prayer which I was doing it over there by each step. This is it, temple. This is, I think so, the main god. It says photographs inside the temple not allowed. So I'll obey the rules and regulation. I'll finish my darshan and then come out and shoot. I was finished with my darshan. It was just so relief and so peaceful after, so long time I've been to a temple and I did my darshan. So this is how ISKCON looks. I couldn't shoot the inside because I followed the rules and regulation. We couldn't shoot photos or videos inside, but this is the entrance. This is how it looks. That's full gold. I really got some relief and some peace after I did my darshan. That's World Trade Center. Next to that is Sheraton. After that, you come here to this Akshaya Patra, which is called midday meals.
Bangalore ISKCON Temple was inaugurated at May 1997 by the 9th Vice President of India, Shankar Dayal Sharma. Since 1999, it is under control of ISKCON Revival Movement.
So guys, this is the end of my video. So if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, because in some way I feel kind of motivated and I will come up with new videos and new contents. And this planning was taken last 2 weeks back, in which planning went for 1 week and then I finally came up with the content. So this is all about the top 4 visits in Bangalore. So I never been to all these 4 places. Hope you like the video. So if you like the video, give a thumbs up, comment and share the video, and subscribe to my channel. So God bless, stay home, stay safe. See you in my next video. Goodbye. Cheers.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all my video notifications.